In this video, we'll show you how to get info about your surroundings with your Pixel phone. To the right of the search bar, tap the Google Lens icon. Then tap Search with your camera, or from your camera app, tap Modes, then tap Lens. Now, point your camera at an item you want more info about, like a plant, animal, or product, and then tap the blue dot to learn more. Google Lens can also help you translate or take action on text. To select specific text, tap a word and Google Lens will highlight the word in blue. Drag the blue tabs in either direction if you want to change the selection. You can then copy, translate, send the text to the desktop, or search for information. Now you know how to get info about your surroundings with your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos, or visit the Help Centre.